So after a few delays, we finally took off from Delhi at about 5:20. On the flight, we are witnessing a lovely sunrise. It's kind of woken us up too. Then came the beauty of the mountains. It was such an awesome feeling to, really realize that we were going to be walking right in the middle of those amazing peaks. I'm not exactly sure which one this is, but it looked really amazing and made you feel like being there. And then we slowly started the descent to Kathmandu. And landing time in Kathmandu was around 6:45. Which is perfect actually for us. There we were welcomed by good old Arjun, who I was very happy to know that he was leading our group because I've been with him a couple of times before. This was quite a fascinating entry to our hotel, followed by the eyes of Buddha. And our lovely hotel, which we will thoroughly enjoy before we get to the harsh realities of trekking and then start enjoying those things. The basics of the tea house. Nice cappuccino to start the day. Actually, I don't know whether you can say start the day because we've been awake all night. And into our room we go. Nice, enjoy the nice comforts. Right. Creature comforts for now. After that it's going to be cold, hard beds and sleeping bags. We have looks nice and peaceful from inside the room. So our main plan for today is firstly to sort out our luggage, leave behind what is not necessary on the trek, just leave it behind in Kathmandu at the Himalayan Holidays office. And then we are planning to go to meet Asta's lovely family for some time, and finally we'll end up in Thamel where we do some last minute shopping of gear that we wanted. Like my Hydra pack, my Camelback, I saw there was some fungus in the old ones, which I obviously don't want to take a chance with. So yeah, go buy a new one, small thing like that, land up at Rumdoodle, be slightly naughty boy and have a drink. And because from tomorrow, no drinking at all, only rehydration, no dehydration. Now when there's a mother or an elder sister in the picture, you know there's going to be lots of delicious food and authentic homemade Nepali cuisine and homemade Nepali raksi, right? And which is like a homemade whiskey in a way you could call it, but it was brilliant. This visit to Nepal is never... YouTube? You're taking the video for YouTube? Now we've moved on to our last minute equipment shopping at Thamel. Thamel is becoming a busier and busier place. As you can see, once we step out onto the streets in the evening, it's cars, bikes, people, shoppers. It's chaotic, but it's fun. Back at our peaceful boutique hotel. Cheers, Asta. Kukri Ram. And it's a good night now after this. Hopefully catch up on some sleep that we haven't had for the last 48 hours.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.